Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up.
If you want to participate in our open collab, keep on watching for more info. Thank you. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey you guys, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda. Thank you so much for being here. On my channel, I post tons of home decor, little bit of cooking and cleaning. Please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love you to be part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, I am going to show you our formal living room, all black and white for winter 2020. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know in the comment down below, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and your family. Now let's get into it. As you guys know already, I always want my outfit to match with my decor. That's why I am wearing black. Yes girl, the boss is back. Now, let's get started. Welcome to the Glam Bosses Open Collab, Linda and Tenji. We have two open collabs coming up for this month. The first one is January 24th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tablescape for Valentine's Day. The second one is January 27 at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Coffee Station for Valentine's Day. But to participate in this open collab, you must subscribe to the host and the co-host channel. The host is Tenji, the co-host is me, styled by Miss Linda. You must mention the host and the co-host channel in your video. You must add the host and the co-host channels link in your description box. The first one is a tablescape. But for this tablescape, you must use hashtag Peace and Love Tablescape. Hashtag Peace and Love Tablescape. The upload date is January 24th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Everyone who participates in this collab, the video will be in our playlist. Don't forget to add your Valentine's Day, like, you know guys, because this tablescape is like Valentine's Day. Okay, same thing for the coffee station. For the coffee station, you must use hashtag Peace and Love Coffee Station. Peace and Love Coffee Station. You need to follow the same rules. The only thing for the coffee station, the upload date is January 27 at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But don't forget to follow the rules to participate in this open collab. Like I said, you must subscribe to the host and the co-host channel. The host is Tenji, the co-host is me, styled by Miss Linda. You must mention the host and the co-host channel in your video. You must add the host and the co-host channels link in your description box. Good luck. I am so excited. And make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Take me on a treasure hunt. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. I truly appreciate your love and support. Your comment and liking, I truly appreciate it. May the Lord continue to bless each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for everything. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love you to be part of my YouTube family. And don't forget to smash the bell icon for any new video uploaded by me. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know in the comment down below. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. Now keep on watching.
Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know. Trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. But I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are.
Thanks so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, à bientôt, adios, see you soon.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do.